Bonjour à tous, j'espère que vous allez bien. Aujourd'hui, nous allons faire un cours de phonétique, de la prononciation des phonèmes L, M et N. Alors, commençons. Hello everyone. Today we're going to do a phonetic class with the phonemes, the sounds L, M et N. Let's get started. Pour le programme, aujourd'hui, nous allons revoir les bases et apprendre à prononcer les lettres L, M et N. Puis, nous allons pratiquer la lecture de mots incluant les phonèmes L, M, N. For the basics, today we're going to learn how to emulate the sounds L, M, et N. And then we'll have a reading practice with words including those letters. So those sound L, M, and N, they're really associated to the letters. So it's really a good match. There's not much thinking included. Why are we seeing those three sounds together? It's because the sound L and the sound N are quite similar. We just add a nasal vibration for the sound N, and the letter M and N are often confusing for children. So that's why we all see them together. So how do we pronounce the sound L? It's really a matter of the tongue. The tongue is going to be set on the roof of the palate, and you're going to move the tongue down and emit the sound from the throat. La, la. So you put the tip of your tongue on the roof behind your palate, and you just drop it down. You have it in English, so it shouldn't be a problem. La, la. To move from L to N, you will add the nasal sound. N like nose. Okay, so you need to include that nose vibration that we seen when we did the is still there. N, n. And finally, the sound M, which is completely different in terms of pronunciation, is just similar looking. And the sound M is a sound with the closed lips. Ma, ma. And that's it. Those sounds exist in English and in French, so I think we can move on from there and start reading. Les noms incluant les sons L, M, N. Un mari, a husband. Une femme, a woman or a wife. L'amour, love. Une ville, a city. Le soleil, the sun. Une place, a place. Une année, a year. Le nez, the nose. Une lettre, a letter. Le milieu, the middle. Une personne, a person. Un matin, a morning. Le bonheur, happiness. La nature, nature. Le nouveau, the newest. Un ministre, a minister, but like in politics, like a secretary of state or minister. Une fenêtre, a window. La fortune, well. Une manière, a way, a manner. Un journal, a newspaper. Un siècle, a century. Le malheur, sadness. Un problème, a problem. Une larme, a tear. Un nombre, a number. Une mesure, a measure. Un souvenir, a memory. And I will repeat at a more natural pace. Un mari, une femme, l'amour, une ville, le soleil, une place, une année, le nez, une lettre, le milieu, une personne, un matin, le bonheur, la nature, le nouveau, un ministre, une fenêtre, la fortune, une manière, un journal, un siècle, le malheur, un problème, une larme, un nombre, une mesure, un souvenir. Moving on. Les adjectifs avec les sons LMN, neuf ou neuve, brand new, nouveau, nouvelle, new, jeune, young, premier, première, first, quel ou quel, what, noir, noir, black, dernier, dernière, last, blanc, white, long, long, plein, full, humain, humaine, human, général ou général, general, politique, political, immense, immense, public, 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 bleu, bleu, blue, nécessaire, necessary, méchant, mean, mauvais, bad, joli, nice or pretty, même, same, seul ou seul, alone or single. And now at a normal pace, normal articulation. Neuf, neuve, nouveau, nouvelle, jeune, premier, première, quel, quel, noir, noir, dernier, dernière, blanc, long, plein, humain, humaine, général, général, politique, immense, public, public, bleu, bleu, nécessaire, méchant, méchante, mauvais, mauvaise, joli, joli, même, seul. Les verbes avec les sons L, M, N, aller, to go, vouloir, to want to, venir, to come, tenir, to hold, donner, to give, falloir, to have to, parler, to talk, mettre, to put, aimer, to love, demander, to ask, connaître, to know, devenir, to become, revenir, to come back, appeler, to call, mourir, to die, montrer, to show, commencer, to begin, marcher, to walk, lever, to lift, permettre, to permit or to allow, monter, to go up, soulever, to raise, finir, to finish, tourner, to turn, reconnaître, to recognize, continuer, to continue, oublier, to forget. And now at a normal pace and normal articulation. Aller, vouloir, venir, tenir, donner, falloir, parler, mettre, aimer, demander, connaître, devenir, revenir, appeler, mourir, montrer, commencer, marcher, lever, permettre, monter, soulever, finir, tourner, reconnaître, continuer, oublier. Les adverbes avec les sons L, M, N. The first one is ne, not. Plus, beau, or ne plus, anymore. Même, even or same. Là, there. Jamais, never. Alors, then. Non, no. Moins, less. Vraiment, truly. Plutôt, rather. Lentement, slowly. Gentiment, nicely. Longuement, lengthily. Généreusement, generously. Honnêtement, honestly, earnestly. Maintenant, now. Désormais, from now on. Loin, far. Seulement, only. Mieux, better. Longtemps, a while or a long time. For a while or for a long time. Comme, like, comment, how, mal, poorly or bad. Normal pace, normal articulation. Ne, plus, ne plus, même, là, jamais, alors, non, moins, vraiment, plutôt, lentement, gentiment, longuement, généreusement, honnêtement, maintenant, désormais, loin, seulement, mieux, longtemps, comme, comment, mal. That's it for us for today. I will see you later on this week. I've already prepared the next class, and we're almost finished with the phonetics, and we're also almost finished with the book we're reading. So we're going to move on to newer and better things. Thank you very much, and I see you around. Bye.